as I cover this information.
Morning, folks. Tickets, please. You can tear them. I just need the conductor's copy, not their
Skagway city limits, these platforms must be cleared, so I'll make an announcement. Whenever marking
Tickets,
that we have cleared city limits and you can go outside. Now while outside, please make sure you understand that you are not allowed.
Who's this for, sir?
Please stay off the mid metal bench and keep the car together. As number one rule on this excursion is that there's no one crossing from car to car. The only folks that are allowed to cross is our train staff. There's no smoking at any time in or outside of the train cars, and this includes the electronic cigarettes. If we do catch you smoking, we will assume that you have caught fire and take the necessary measures to put you out. There is no consumption of alcohol allowed at any time during our trip today, although it is 5 o'clock somewhere, it is not on this train ride today. So please save those beverages when you get back to the town. Please make sure not to rest your hands and fingers in the doorways and windows to the platforms, as the doors can slam shut due to the rocking of the train. Folks, we're going to have the doors open today because it is a little warm, so please mind your hands and your fingers in between the doorways. We do not want you to leave Skagway with an extra souvenir. All our passengers that are 16 years and under do need to be accompanied by a responsible adult when outside on those platforms. Thank you for your compliance and understanding. Now I'd like to go ahead and introduce myself and welcome you all aboard the historic White Pass in Yukon Railroad. My name is Parker and I'll be your narrator today. Also at this time I'd like to introduce you to our train crew. Up in the front of the train in the engine is Engineer Morgan. Now he's the man operating the engine, so hopefully he stays in his driver's seat and we will not see him today. The woman in charge of the train today is Conductor Gardner, and assisting her today is Brakeman Randolph. Our roaming guide today is Matt, and if you have not met him yet, you will momentarily. On your seat, you will see an All Aboard magazine, and on the very back, you'll find a route map, and this outlines our entire trip today. We are starting in Skagway, Alaska, and heading up to mile marker 20.4 on the White Pass Summit. You'll find this map on the very back of the All Aboard magazine. As we are taking a loop at the top of the track, you'll be able to see both sides of the scenery today. Because if you're on one side going up, you'll be on the other side going down. Now go ahead very uncomfortably. After crossing over or passing by the caboose on our right-hand side, we'll be going over the Skagway River. And this will be your first chance to see the entire train in motion, curving around to the left. Anxiety about the future and weight heavily on citizens of every class as the farming it down the tracks. Feel free to smile and wave and do anything you like. Just let them know.
Actually, go come look at a tree and wave to a tree. 等会他要跟我们交汇的，知道吧？就是他从那边开过来啊，你就可以看到他在对面啊，酷不酷？你想要什么？出去啊！妈妈，他要出去，你带他去吧。
要出去啊？冷了，爸爸。
Why did I turn? Get ready, guys. I'll take a picture then. Oh, it's coming right there. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Get ready to wave, right, Xavier? Get ready to hold on to the fence, Xavier. Ah, nice, we're slowing down. The train's coming. Guys, the train! Train! Do you like trains? Say hi! Say hi! Wait. Oh, it's a ghost train. Oh, there it is. Keep waving. More. Ah, more.
Oh my god.
So many people. Keep waving.
It does read Skagway, Alaska, on the back seating really of the book. There is the saying 125th anniversary with our logo. It is $10 US. Again, US folding cash. Now that only has time enough to come to your cars just once, so we do ask you to discuss with your parties to see if you'll be purchasing this souvenir hat today. If you want to preview this hat, go ahead and take a look at the back of your all-in-one magazine. Now the only item he will have with him is the baseball cap. He will not have the DVD or picture book as the both are unavailable at this time. Again, he accepts US holding cash. He's able to make a small amount of change if necessary. And of course, folks, he is your movie guide first and your tour guide. Sorry, excuse me, yes, he's your tour guide first and your salesperson second. So feel free to ask him if you have any other